This is the KIZEN infrared thermometer, the LaserPro LP300 right here. The user manual right there. You even got some AAA batteries right there. It does require 2 AAA batteries and it's actually included. Boom! This is the KIZEN, the LaserPro infrared thermometer right there. Grab our AAA batteries and load it up. This is the thermometer right here. Open up this battery door by pulling over here. That's how you open up the battery door. Very easy. Pull it up right there and you have access to your 2 AAA battery, which is included. Let's go ahead and load it up right now. 2 AAA batteries. Plug it in and boom, there we go. 2 AAA batteries goes up and there we go. This is the infrared thermometer. Let's test it out right now. There we go. Test it out. Oh, there we go. Twist and hold. You can see the display. There we go. That's the display. It's easy to read and it's measuring the temperature of my hand right there. 87.8 right there. The ring is colder. 85, 84.7. Simple, easy thermometer right here. This is using laser. This is the KIZEN infrared thermal thermometer. Accurate to 0.1. This thing is perfect with versatile use. You can use it for cooking, for your measuring your pizza oven, use it for measuring your food. You can use it to measure temperature of your car engine or your AC, your heat vac instruments. This is very useful. I'm going to be using it to measure temperatures in my AC and also for like car automotive stuff. In case I want to touch something, I want to measure temperature before I get close, and I'm always going to double check and see if it's hot, but it's better to double check with this first before you double check by even any contact in case something is hot. But that is the KIZEN infrared thermometer right here. This is so easy and I love that it comes with 2 AAA batteries, so you're ready to rock and roll. This is the KIZEN LaserPro LP Laser Infrared Thermometer right here from KIZEN. Oh yeah.